Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a before and after video for my friend Gary out in California on this RCI-2970N4. Gary sent this to me, said he just wasn't quite getting good reports, so we decided to hook it up here for him, see what we could do to help him out. I want to do a before video. So we have a 250 watt slug in the left side in average, a 1000 watt slug in PEP on the right, 250 watt slug all the way down. Hello, so swinging to about 30 watts average bird. Let's roll it all the way up. It's keying about 100, but look when I talk there, Gary. Hello, it's falling back to about 60 watts. But if you look at the 1000 watt scale, hello, it's doing about 550. So we're going to work on this a little bit, get your average power up. Should give you the punch and luster that you want. And go over here to sideband, lower sideband here. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, audio. So we're getting about 500 watts PEP, and it's definitely hitting over there about 250 average every now and then. But we're going to do some work to it and we'll be back. Bump. Okay, and we're back. Let's get right to it here. We got it all set up for you. Tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade. We got the RF power all the way down to a 50 watt slug. We set you up about 25 watts all the way down, Gary. 125 all the way up. Show your average power swing. Let's see if it's still swinging backwards. About 210 bird average, so we're swinging forward there. 1000 watt slug and PEP. 600 PEP. Let's go to sideband. 250 watt slug pegged in the corner. And about 590 peak. Alright, Gary, it's ready to come to you. I sure hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump.